Am I having a mental breakdown? Who knows? Not me. I don't fucking know what be going on in my brain most of the time. It just be happening. And then here I be stuck doing shit like this because I just had this urge. I don't know what's going on. I have no idea right now. Ain't a fucking clue. I don't have not one fucking clue as to why I'm doing this, as to what the fuck happened to my brain recently, because I have felt myself bugging since like 2 days ago. I've been bugging out in my brain, and like I've been ignoring it because I'm like the fucking queen of ignoring my problems and emotions. I don't really like to cry like that. I cried yesterday for the first time in a very long time. So that's how I knew that, you know, a day like today was slowly approaching me. And that's fine, you know, like that's okay. Like I deal with my problems on my own, by my dolly. And this is just where it got me, okay? Me cutting my hair. I really don't know what's going on. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Nor do I care if I'm doing it right. And I hope the 2 people that are watching me fuck up my head are enjoying the fuck out of this. This is what I got so far. Bro, my hair is so damaged. Mental breakdown. My life has not been fucking going the way that I've been planning for it to go. But guess what? I'm strong. I'm not about to cry about this shit. Let me just fuck up my face and my hair and let me just do things without thinking about it. Cause that always fucking works. That helps. It helps, bro. I'm telling you, it helps. Fuck a therapist, bro. Pick up a pair of scissors, gang. Pick up a pair of fucking scissors. And you'll be alright. You'll be alright. That's how I'm feeling right now. I'm actually feeling gorgeous, even though I probably look fucking crazy, who knows? Shit. I mean, it is what it is. At least my fucking episodes don't be having me feel like shit. My episodes be having me feeling like a bad bitch. So, like, it's all good. What's up, Leah? How you doing? I am living life right now. And I'm just, you know, why not? I woke up and was like, why the fuck not? Let me just fuck it up. Hi, how are you? I can't lie. What's up, Naomi? I can't lie. I'm aight. My hair got so damaged that, like, at this point, half of the head is gone, bitch. You look mad good. Don't be lying, gang. Oh my gosh, your hair. Yeah, no. I be going through it. It'll grow back. Yeah, eventually. I'm gonna shave it tomorrow though, or like on Saturday. So I'm just cutting it to prep the barber, bro. Because no, I'm gonna shave my actual head, like actually shave my head. So this, it don't matter. As long as I can put it up in a ponytail for the time being, bro, we chillin'. I just really could not deal with the shit today. I don't know. I don't know what I be going through, gang. Like, I go through a lot. I go through a lot. I can't. Hey, Day. How are you? Gang, you already know what it is, bro. You already know. Looks like fucking shit right now. But you know what? I personally like when you did your finger waves. Thank you. Honestly, I'm thinking about just doing that. Like, that's why I want to cut it now. Because I couldn't wait. I wanted to go to the barbershop today. But, yeah, no. Just plans didn't work out. Like, my life hasn't been working out. But, you know what? If the plans are going to work out itself, I'm going to do something about it. I'm going to take matters into my own hands. I'm not really like following a guideline or anything like that. What I'm doing right now is I'm following my hair from the back. I know you see this. This was the last time I got my shape up done, so I'm just cutting it to that length. My friend just cut her hair too. It's the retrograde, bro. It has to be, gang, because it's a vibe. I was just talking about shaving my head. Bro, Day, let's do it, gang. Let's do it. You know, first of all, I don't even look right with long hair anyway. I feel like I look too skinny, or like, I don't know, it just don't fit me. A lot of people have been telling me anyway I look better with short hair, so I guess I'm just gonna have to take matters into my own hands, like I said, and we gonna have to deal with this shit. This feels so good. Y'all don't really understand. Like, you going through your own shit, bro. I promise you, just cut your hair. You'll be fine. Instead of watching this make me want to shave my head. I look good bald, but I love my hair. It's so healthy and long. I want to keep it. You look great with long hair. You're crazy. Girl, I feel crazy. But, your hair is healthy. That's the difference. My hair is, like, not. I dyed my hair red, orangish. This is what I came out with. Bro, damaged as fuck. Like, I'm over this shit, bro. The sectioning, it's giving. Yeah, nah, I'm at least gonna try a little bit. I was about to just, but you know what? I thought about it and I was like, you know what? Let me try. It's still gonna look like shit, but at least I'm trying. Girl, you just gotta leave it alone. The snips and the scissors so sad. Bro, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Bro, I can't leave it alone, gang. It's so damaged that, like, every time I wake up and I wash my hair and I untangle it, it reminds me of all the mistakes I've made in my life. And I can't. So I'm just gonna, you know, slowly cut it and just shave it all off this weekend. I'm not a long hair bitch anyway. I love the short hair on you. Cass, the fuck is you doing, bitch? I'm having an episode. Yeah?
Dad wants to know if you work today.
No.
Okay.
But yeah, it's just damaged because you don't moisturize it enough. Moisturize, bro. No, my hair is beautiful. My natural curls are so curly and so luscious and gorgeous and healthy that even if I tried to moisturize it, like, it's so damaged that it ain't going nowhere, bro. I've tried. I've moisturized. I've treatment, hair mask, bitch, every goddamn thing I could possibly think of. So now the only solution to my problem is to shave it. Go drink. Oh yeah, no, what you thought I was gonna do after this? After I'm done with this, I got a bottle waiting for me in my room. Like, At the end of the day, I really don't care how this app looks at me, because who's really bold enough to keep it a buck with themselves? Let's really talk about it. Y'all lie to yourselves every day. You don't got bigger scissors. Yo, girl, I know, girl. Bitch, I've been looking for bigger scissors, but I haven't been able to find it. And the only things I could find that cut hair is this, and I just don't want to get this far. I don't want to get this far, because I want to get it professionally done. I'm just doing this for right now, kitchen scissors. But my auntie used that for like meats and stuff. You don't think that's unsanitary? Like, will do. Yo, bro. I'm using my cousin's preschool scissors, gang. Just grab them clippers, gang. I'm nervous.
Yeah, I'm not surprised you did.
Bro, if I grab the clippers, bro, I'm going to really, really shave my head. Like, that means I'm like, all this little length right here that I got going on is going to be gone. And then what if I don't like it? What if I don't like it?
Stay right there.
I'm going to kill myself if I don't like it. Like, I really am. So, I'm just going to cut it very, very, very short. Keep it in a bun for the next few days. Then get it cut. Get it cut by a professional, because I'm not no goddamn professional. Rock a baldy, nah, chill, gang, chill. Nick, you trying to have me out here looking like how you little sister, bro. I cannot do that, gang. My head is not shaped for the baldy. I got a very almond-shaped head in the back. You feel me? I can't. First of all, you came on this live talking about, Cass, what's going on? What the fuck you doing? Just drink. Now you talking about shave your head. Shave your head. I want to. I really do. But you know what? Like, this is where I got so far. You're gonna look like Dwayne Johnson. In the back, nah, gang. Yo. Nah, bro. I'm so happy that you guys are like enjoying this and making me laugh and making me, you know, smile and laughing at me. Cause you know, it's fun. It's funny. A lot of people can't just laugh at themselves. Listen, I may be going through a fucking emotional warfare right now. But bitch, this is funny. This is
Where'd you
funny.
get those pants from? I gave them to you? No, the fuck I didn't. Stop lying. The ones that I gave to you, you never gave back. And you came yours all of a sudden.
Ooh.
So stop touching my shit. Because I know you went in there and grabbed them yourself. That's the fuck you did.
Ooh. Man, listen, man, and I'm just calmly cutting my hair in the bathroom. Meanwhile, the whole world is falling apart. God damn. God damn.
I'm going out every fucking week. Go buy some clothes.
Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Everybody, I feel like just today is just not nobody day. It's not niggas' day today. Today is not a very good day for people. This is so calming. Mullet business in the nah, gang. I can't do that. The pencil for party is taking me out. Bro, I really don't got none of these. Like, none. I don't got no big scissors. Yo, nah, cause it's not nobody's day today, gang. I promise you that. Like, everybody in this house is having a bad day. And here I am, mentally fucked right now. Just calmly in the bathroom, mutilating myself. And we're done, bitch. And we're done, bitch. Oh, now I'm about to get in a fucking shower and wash it. And yo, let's see how it look. yo, let's see how it look in a ponytail. Cause that's how I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the week until Saturday. Yeah, I think I'm fucking with it. Yeah. I think this is a vibe. Guys, look at this shit. Guys. Oh, I can't do it another way. God. Yeah. I look good. I look real good. I'm happy. You see this? Mental institution right here. I need to go. I'm alright though. I'm alright. You want to see how much hair I cut off? All this. God, bitch. Lord have mercy.
Yes, they are. Bro, I gotta go get mom. Alright, bro,
Lord
I gotta
have
go get mom.
mercy. Lord have mercy. Well, I hope y'all like the tutorial of how to fuck up your life even more than what it is already fucked up. I'm about to hop in the shower and then I'm gonna come back on live. Oh yeah, I'm gonna fuck up my life even way more. I'm gonna come back on live and I'm gonna get drunk with y'all. Like, are we ready for it? This gonna need a hell lot of a gang, bro. Listen, gang. Look like the pineapple under the sea. Gang. Don't even worry about it, gang, because I feel like a bad bitch. I may not look like traditional bad bitch, but I am a bad bitch nonetheless. A bad institutionalized bitch, that's what I need to be. Yo, where are the grippy socks, bitch? Where are the grippy socks? I need them, bro. I feel too crazy right now, but I'm glad. I'm happy. Look at me. I'm happy. When you try to trick your brain into feeling okay, yo, OD. But you know what? The thing is that I don't cry no more. I don't be crying no more. So, I'm gonna laugh about it. Look, I feel beautiful. I look beautiful. This was definitely planned. This is definitely how I wanted to look. This is definitely where I wanted to be in life. So I'm happy. I'm chilling. I'm about to get off this and hop in that shower. Wash the new hairdo that I have going on, you feel me? And I'll be back. Thank y'all for keeping me company and making me feel like a pretty bitch. I'll see y'all later, gang.